Just a reminder, you're living in what younger you used to look forward to. So don't disappoint them.
I'm going to show y'all that this Sea-Doo Switch can pull a tube with some people on it. I'm doing this just for y'all. The water temperatures are in the 60s right now, and I'm going to jump in here just to show you guys what y'all been asking. How well does it pull a tube and a wakeboarder? It's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, it's a little chilly, but we'll be fine. I just got in the water and I went tubing for you guys, just so I can show y'all that this Sea-Doo Switch can pull a tube and throw somebody off. Luckily I didn't fall off, but the day's still young, so who knows. They've convinced me to wakeboard now. Not later, but now. Since it's so smooth, look at that. It's real smooth, perfect time. So, I'm probably gonna be freezing later.
You brought clothes.
Did I?
Extra clothes, right?
Did I?
Uh-oh, you're about to just go in.
Yeah, I haven't wakeboarded in quite a while. Woo! It's cold.
All right, are you ready?
Go. We're back at the dock, and hopefully y'all give this video a like, because I got in that cold water. It actually wasn't as cold as I thought it would be, but it was cold for most of these people over here. Nobody else wanted to get in the water. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, see y'all on the water.